Localized search explained for local businesses. Why does your business rank in one area, but disappear in another? That's how localized search works, and most local businesses don't realize it until they start losing customers to competitors nearby. Localized search means Google shows different results based on a person's location. So even if your business ranks well in one neighborhood, you may not appear a few miles away. That's why checking rankings from one location gives incomplete data. To improve local visibility, businesses need to understand where they rank across their entire service area, not just one spot. Here's what to do. First, track your rankings in multiple locations across your city. Second, identify low visibility areas where competitors are showing up instead. Third, optimize your Google business profile and local pages for those locations. Fourth, monitor changes weekly and adjust based on real search visibility. If you want to understand how localized search affects your business, try localrankings.ai. See exactly where you rank locally and where you need to improve to get found more often.